Hello, welcome. In this video, I will walk you through on how to contact 1688 suppliers in order to order directly from them. The purpose of getting the number is for us to either chat them on WeChat or WhatsApp, but commonly you chat them on WeChat. Once you're on the product page, go to contact, but before you click on contact, try to scroll up to see if you can see their number on this header. Looking at this, you have seen this number 13229155365. This is their number, so you don't need to go to contact to look for the number, or better still, you can still go there, click on contact, then the contact page will be shown. So this is the phone number, which is slightly different from what you see here. The simple truth is, sometimes most numbers you see there, sometimes they may not be on WeChat. So the most ideal way to get their phone number is through this header. This is their banner. This is where you can see the number, the correct phone number to get them. On 1688, some things are being hidden from public. Sometimes they may require you to log in for you to see some things. Just like in this mobile number, you have to log in for you to see this number. So let's take a look at the other supplier. Then this is the number. As you can see here, this is the number. So when you try to check on this banner, there is no number here, so we take this as a number. And also another seller, this guy has his number hidden, so I don't know the reason why the number has been hidden. So for you to see this number, you must log in, but now it is very difficult for someone to create an account and log in on 1688. That's a problem, and even to sign up on WeChat is even another problem. So I don't know how these guys planned it. So when you're in a situation where you are so much interested in the product, now to get the phone number becomes a challenge. You can either look for another product, or you can find an agent that can log in order to get the contact of this very supplier. Then another way to get the number is when you clicked on Another way to get their phone number is when you click on this contact menu, something will show. When you take a look at your title bar, you should see this number. This number is your phone number, 050-51630. Then this number again, 0252. This is the number. So this is another way to get the number. And for you to see these numbers, if you're using a mobile phone, and for you to see these numbers, you must set your browser to desktop view, because if you set it to normal view, you may not see this page as it is in your mobile phone. So it is very important for you to switch your mobile browser into a desktop view so that you can see exactly how you see it there. Then so let me show you how to save these phone numbers in your contact. So just like we have here, this 86 is China dialing number, or what they call dialing code. Just like we have 234, they now have 82111-555. This is Nigeria dialing number. Just like we have here in Nigeria as our dialing number, this is Chinese dialing number. Then let's get this phone number. Like we have this number here. This is the phone number we're going to use. Then you have to press this. Then this is the number you have to save in your contacts for it to show on your WeChat. If you don't add this plus, it will not show to your WeChat. So you must make sure you save this in this same format. Then let's take a look at the other phone number, like this phone number. Plus x6. Oh, we have another x6 again. So this is it. The numbers, they are all equal. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then including dialing codes. So this is what you do in order to get the correct phone numbers of your supplier, then save it to your mobile contact before accessing your WeChat account. In the next video, I will walk you through on how to chat your suppliers on WeChat.